If the equation of the circle is given, how do you determine the center coordinates and the length of the radius? In this video, I will be showing you how to do that. So let's start. Example number 1. Determine the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius of the circle whose equation is the square of x minus 5 plus the square of y minus 2 equals 36. By applying the zero product property on the first binomial, x is equal to 5, and to get the k, or the value of the y coordinate of the center, by zero product property, y minus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to positive 2, and the length of radius is the square root of 36, which is equal to 6 units. Example number 2. Determine the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius of the circle whose equation is the square of the binomial x plus 5 plus the square of the binomial y plus 2 is equal to 81. The first square of the binomial can be translated into quantity x minus negative 5 squared, and for the square of the binomial y plus 2 can be translated into the square of y minus negative 2. Then the center coordinates are negative 5, negative 2. And for the length of the radius, 81, and the square root of 81 is 9 units. Example number 3. Determine the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius of the circle whose equation is x minus 3 quantity squared plus y squared equals 24. This equation of the circle can be converted into this form: the square of x minus 3 plus y minus 0 quantity squared equals 24. 24 is not a perfect square. However, think of two factors of 24 in which one of those can still get the square root, and that factors are 6 and 4. So the length of radius is 2 square root of 6 units. The center coordinates are 3, 0. Number 4. The equation of the circle is in general form or the expanded form. How do we determine the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius? We have few steps to follow in order to determine the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius. Step 1. Isolate the constant term. The constant term is positive 6. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y is equal to negative 6. Step 2. Group like terms, then complete the square in each group, then apply the addition property of equality. How to get the constant term? Compute for the square of the half of the coefficient of the second term, that is negative 6 divided by 2, quantity squared, and that is equal to 9. Do the same process on the other group. the coefficient of the second term divided by 2, quantity squared, that is equal to 1. And then apply the addition property of equality. Add 9 and 1 on the other side of the equation. Then, from step 2, factor the perfect square trinomial, or the PST, as a square of binomials. For the first perfect square trinomial, its square of binomial is the square of x minus 3. How do we get that? Constant term, then think of 2 factors of 9. When added, you'll get -6. And then, for the second perfect square trinomial, convert it into a square of binomials. What are the factors of the constant term? 1. When added, you'll get +2. And that is the square of y plus 1 is equal to -6 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 4, or 2 squared. We can now determine the center coordinates and the length of the radius. The radius is 2 units and the center coordinates are 3, -1. That's it. I hope you have learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!